Good morning.
Morning peeps. It's a dry, dull day today. I'm at Smoo Caves. Not Snow, is it?
Smoo Caves.
Smoo Caves.
So we had a quick get up this morning. Had a lovely stay at Durness Motorhome stopover. Very, very quiet, very scenic. And we've just packed up and we're going to have a wander down to the cave. So let's go and see what they've got to offer.
Yep, let's go.
This
Elephant Cave is situated to the west of Smoo Caves. Lots of hidden chambers and a big base boom when a large wave enters the cave. Well, boom, like that's why I probably call it Elephant Cave.
I'm just coming out of the main cave and we're going to go
up them big steps.
Up them big steps.
Up the big steps and round.
Up the big steps and round.
Marlo, don't pull, darling. Please don't pull.
At least he's going to pull you up the stairs. Rather than
down, yeah.
Down, yeah.
Yeah?
There looks like some more bunkers over there.
Yeah. Look like bunkers, don't they? That
yeah.
That does.
So
that looks like
there.
military. That definitely that there.
There's 4. So literally all across here.
Oh, look at the water.
I know. How clear that water is.
Yeah,
We don't need to go any further. We don't want to be startling the sheep, do we?
No.
So yeah, there's probably a footpath goes along the
Exactly, a footpath going, the track going to the bunkers.
yeah, on the other side.
Definitely a lookout post, aren't they?
Yeah.
One there, look as well.
World War II. That's what I said.
One there,
There's
one there, one there,
two,
one there.
Three,
four
four.
over there. Come on, puppy. Wowzer.
Yeah. So there we go. Ticked off the list.
The one on the list gone. Yeah.
So we managed to catch our breath. I've managed to catch my breath. And we're just heading back to the car parking area, the viewpoint area, because there's a few boards on there we'll have a look at.
Go that way, or you can go that way. Don't go that way, Mallow.
No, let's not break any ankles there. Just for the sake of 2 minutes.
Getting bit.
Walk. We should have put some smidge on.
Yeah, come on.
It's a little bit on the muggy side, isn't it? And it's getting a bit still.
It's
So
not
the
windy
dreaded
enough,
Scottish midges are coming out. Nip, 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 nip. And Dave is a tasty morsel.
I am, they love me. Good blood, you see.
They love him so much, they leave the mark.
Good blood.
Nibble, nibble, nibble. They've done quite a bit of excavation work here.
Yeah, they have, yeah.
So they've established that the main cave and 3 of the adjacent small caves have been both workshops and homes to many generations of seafarers. Oh, now there we go. A winch can be seen on the shore, which was used to haul small boats above the high water mark. The 18th century ruin you can see was used for storing fishing equipment. So that's that little house, and I don't know if you saw on the beach there was that
Winch,
pulley,
yeah.
that winch. And I wondered what it was there for. Smoo continued to be used by fishermen into the 20th century. The Smoo is a large sea cave, but the rear part is a karst cave which formed inside limestones. The first chamber of the cave was eroded by the sea, but the second chamber was formed by the river. So we've had our coffee, just been chatting to a lovely lady, postie lady.
She's telling us how busy it was last week, and
Telling us how busy it was.
the weather up here is like freaky weather last week, when it was 27 degrees.
Oh, it's getting a little bit more normal now. So we're going to get back in the van, we're going to head off to who knows where. So come with us.
Yeah, come with us. Hey, so now we've arrived at Scourie, and it's a beautiful day again. It's a bit dull, but it's warm, very warm.
Yep, Scourie Caravan Site. Very easy to get to.
Yeah, span around, Pam. See what
we are, because we managed to get booked on a pitch on the front, pitch number 4, and this is our view. There's a little harbour down here, a little tiny harbour.
Yeah. The beach is nice.
Yeah. I thought I was sat and I could have sworn I'd seen some bob out of the water, but I didn't see it bob back up again, so it could have been a seabird.
Could have been a submarine.
Could have been a submarine. Oh, yeah.
Could have been a submarine.
If it had been a submarine, they'd have been in trouble because it's very shallow. Yeah, it's another cracking day. What's there? It's a Scourie Lodge.
B&B. Lodge cafe close today.
Bed and breakfast, and there's a footpath here to Tarbert. Don't know how far it is. Overgrown, didn't they? Look at that. You get different species of dolphins and whales together with a large number of seabirds. May be seen between the bay and Handa Island, which is just past that headland there.
Killer whales,
yeah.
Dolphins. I wish.
I know.
I wish, baby, don't we?
We do wish. We wish, we wish, we
We'll
wish.
see a couple of dolphins, you want it in the bay.
I wonder if it's used much, this slipway.
Hmm?
I wonder if it's used much.
It will be. It'll be used a bit, I reckon.
So around that headland is Handa Island. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I do know how to find them.
You do? It's another beauty on it. Good job, I'll just let you get on with it, innit?
Although, yeah, he is very trusted.
Just let
Very
you get on with it.
I might let you do the next one.
Nah.
See what you come up with.
Nah.
No?
No, I've got more faith in you than me.
So just come down to the beach area and there's bird hide.
Yeah.
There's the beach.
Come here.
Or little beach.
Come here. Come here. Go.
I've just had a look around. There's somebody swimming in the bay. Boy.
Away.
Not for me, not for me. I thought I saw something earlier, and I just thought it was something in the water, like a boy or something. Submarine. So now at the other side.
I'll tell you what.
Looks like there's a little churchyard up there.
Atlantic Ocean, a bay, beautiful green, bluey water. Well, wouldn't you want to swim?
Well, yeah. Each to their own, I suppose.
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody's saying at home, go on then, Dave, get your trunks on, son.
If it was the temperature of a hot bath, I might get in.
Yeah.
Yeah, not for me.
Unfortunately, it's not.
No. Hello.
There you go, first bit of wildlife we've seen.
Pigs. What you got to say for yourself? Yeah? There's a little, what looks like to be a little churchyard up here. Come on, with Wargrave.
Good evening, well, that's us today. We've, yeah. What we've done today, we've just got mucked around the beach, haven't we, and in the bay and that, and looking for a bit of wildlife, haven't we?
We've had a lovely drive over to Scourie.
Yeah, the scenery's phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal.
Would have been even more phenomenal if it hadn't been for the low cloud on the hills.
Yeah, it's been a bit.
Drive,
it's been a little bit dull, but it's been warm and it's been dry. So, hey, it's the wind's picking up now. I can hear it outside.
And as you see, we got to the campsite. We've been for a walk on the beach. Mallow's been for a swim. We've got a great picture overlooking the bay. Although the way that wind's building up outside, I might be regretting that later.
Nah, we won't.
It's moving.
What's moving?
The van's moving.
Yeah. Not moving that much.
It's moving enough.
It's moving a tiny bit. I just want to show you something, guys.
Not my fluffy slippers.
Just look at that puppy. Just look at that puppy and his head. Yeah? He's fast to peepees there, look. I don't know. We wear him out.
You wear him out?
We wear him out. I wear him out.
You do? I'm going for a walk for 5 minutes and
an hour later I come back. I just couldn't resist getting him on the beach so he could have a swim and a play in the Atlantic Ocean, because out there is the Atlantic Ocean. It's blue, it's superb, and it's clear as tap water.
Tap water?
Yeah, it's clear as tap water.
Oh, tap water?
Yeah.
I thought you said tap water. It's tap water.
Tap.
Tap.
Clear as tap water is out there. It's beautiful, and he loves it. So we just want to say farewell for tonight, and we shall see you in the morning once we're moving on to Port. Where are we going?
I don't know where we're going. Where are you going? Port what?
No. It's not Port anything, is it?
No.
No, it's where we're going.
Ardmere Point.
Which is?
Just outside of Ullapool.
Ullapool, that's a place.
Or as Dave says, Ullapool.
Just outside of Hullypool.
Hullypool is... I got an itch.
I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Anyway,
thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Good night, and we will see you on the next one. Behave.
Good night.
Good night.
Under the night sky, where stars softly gleam, close the memories of today like a gentle dream. Tomorrow will bring another beautiful day. With peace in your heart, let the dreams take you away. Good night.